Hello and welcome to another edition of Flashing Lights. Here we've got the prisoner transport van. Waiting for a call. See what we get. Looks like an aggressive driver, red vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and take this call and see if we can catch up to him. Looks like they're on the other side of the map. It might take a little while to catch up to them. I believe we were supposed to respond code 2. So we'll go off here and see what kind of chase we can get into in the prisoner transport van. Of course, today we don't have a prisoner. We are a cop here to chase down bad guys. In this case, it's the infamous red car. If you were with me last time, we had a chase. It didn't last very long. So I'm hoping to get into engaging in a chase that's a little bit longer. Alright, move out of the way. Make way for the transport van. Flashing Lights is in early access on Steam. Updates are every month. Looks like our aggressive driver is headed right for us. And there they are. Looks like we're gonna have to go after him. One of these days, this will not be a red car, but another color vehicle. At least that's my hope. See if we can do some sort of a pit maneuver here. They're not cooperating with me. I've got the van here. Come on. Don't mess with the van. Police van. Let's try another hit here. That's a pretty good one. But they're still on the run. Maybe I can get them in here. No, they're gonna get through. I was hoping they'd hit the tree, but a little bit smarter than that. Maybe now? Well, I almost hit it. Well, I did want a police chase. This is turning into an epic police chase with the prisoner transport van. Got to get suspect compliance up to 100%. And I'm almost out. That was close. Almost took myself out there on the embankment. And again. Let's just hope this suspect doesn't run. They've been known to run. Get into position here so I'm not blocking the traffic, and they're running. to get my... I want to get a taser or a gun. Get my taser. Wish I could run a little faster now. Be helpful. Stop! It's the police! And they're shooting at me, so I'm gonna get my gun out. Looks like they've got a gun now. I don't know if I can shoot from this distance. Probably not. Looks like they're shooting and running at the same time. Now they're just a hazard to everybody. A dangerous one. Of course, their vehicle was also one when they were driving the way they were. And they're shooting. If you've seen me in this and other episodes, I've been known to get shot, so I don't want to get shot, but we do need to get close. I'm not going to mess around. I could tase him, but I'm going to go for the shot. Got to get that thing. There's a bar that shows up above their head we're looking for. Stop! It's the police! Looks like they're shooting into the ground as they run. Run aimlessly ahead and shoot. Gotta get a little bit closer, it looks like. Now this is an epic chase. On foot, that is. I think in real life we would have backup by now. And we'd have a police helicopter. Should be close enough. There's the bar. It's like another shot. Should do it. There they are. They're down. Let's call for an ambulance. See if they've got it. They do have a gun. We know they have a gun. And of course, it's not showing that, but we saw the shot, so we know they had a gun. Maybe they dropped it. I'm not sure if you can pick up any items that are on the ground. If you played LSPDFR, I know there's a lot more going on there as far as being able to pick up evidence and police helicopters and whatnot. But Flashing Lights is growing. It's in early access. Here's our paramedic. Looks like the paramedic can't come any further, and there they're gonna go. I think I'll speed up the rest of this section. There's no sense in watching me run back to my prisoner transport van. So I'll see you when I get there. And here we are. We're still running. I'm going to go ahead and tow the vehicle That was definitely quite the epic chase. Vehicle chase and a foot chase. I hope you enjoyed that little escapade there in the police van. I think we'll wrap it up for today. For this episode anyways. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.